Hey, welcome to DayTradeToWin.com. Today is a great day to trade the trade scalper. We have had nice trending markets here in the emini S&P 500. I wanted to show you a few scalp trades here. So I just got a trade signal here at 27.82 long. I'm waiting for a good price. I like to enter with limit orders on the retracement back to the signal price, 27.82. That's the optimal entry price. On these scalping trades, I'm only looking for 3 ticks of profit. If we go down below 27.80.5, I would exit the position, but I believe we'll reach the profit target of 27.82.75 soon. And there we go, another winner. Okay, so since this morning we had 11 winning trades, 11 times 3 ticks, which is our profit target. That's 33 ticks in total since this morning. One tick is $12.50, so if you trade one contract of the emini S&P 500, that would be about $400. If you trade 5 contracts, that would be over $2,000. If you want to learn more, go to DayTradeToWin.com, download the software, get the free day trading simulator with real-time data, and you can also download the Get Started Day Trading ebook for free. And please note that our next mentorship class starts really soon, so if you're serious about becoming a day trader, you should sign up now. Until next time, good trading.